Hello, fellow viewers, fellow prospectors. This is Vicky of Victoria's Oregon or Bust. If you're happy with this video, please subscribe and push the like button. Okay, I am in the process of making a canvas tent. I really scored at yard sales this year, and I found four huge canvas tents like that one there, which is hanging there because I sprayed it with waterproofing, and that's my wood pellets for the winter. And I also bought some extension poles to make get my eyeballs to focus on where I'm stupid. Anyway, so the poles came to make a overhang, a rain flap. And I was going to get 4 of them, and I'm glad I just bought the pair. And I can't exactly tell you which company I got them from, but there's a problem. And I think I might have the solution to the problem. We'll see. Every problem seems to develop a new problem when you want to solve that problem. So I am going to put you over here. Let's see if I can get this right. Nope, that's not gonna work. I wanted to switch you over. Well, we'll do it like this. Alright, so here's the pole. It's all extended. Right there. It's got the little tip on top there, so that you can put that inside a grommet, and goes up, and you can extend it as high as you want to put the pole. The problem is this part right here. Yeah, it doesn't twist and lock. Now this one up here did. This one locked right at that joint, but this one has no lock to it. Now I might have the solution to the problem. Come over here and consult my coconut bowl and my drill. And this is what I think I'm going to try and do. All right. In the coconut bowl, we have spring button clips. See that? So what I'm going to try and do, I do believe I have the right drill bit up here. Maybe not. We'll see. I think actually I need a little bit bigger. Yeah, I think I'm going to need a bigger drill bit, which I have. So what I'm going to do is I need to pull this all the way out like so. Excuse me, I can't figure out how to make this cheap $30 phone do what I want it to. But this part here, I'm going to drill several holes according to how I want to make what I'm doing, okay? There's going to be just holes, one hole, one hole, one hole, so I can have the length. This part here is the problem, right there. That thing is a rubberized lock, and then this part here has something inside of it so it can't pull completely out. There, I can feel it lock right inside here, but it won't stay shut like it's supposed to. So I'm going to drill somehow or another, get into here. I gotta pull this apart so I can get in this way. I'm going to put this pin, which has a spring load right here. See that spring load? And you just need to shove it this way in so that it comes out through that hole. And then There goes the neighbor mowing the lawn. That figures. Then what happens is I slide this pole in and it goes down into the holes. It'll snap in and make a snap lock. So I won't have it falling apart and my awning falling on top of me. And if that ever fails, I can do that to the other end as well. So let's see how this goes. I am going to shut you off. Then I'll turn you on and have the proper alignment of the camera and have my son show me. But I'm going to take my heating gun right here. I'm going to heat this up and see if I can get it to release without damaging it, which probably won't happen because things never go the way I want them to. But it's a plan. All right, I'll get back to you in the next video. Thank you for watching.